my name is Kari Wester. I'm the Assistant Production Editor of the Journal of Microbiology and Biology Education, which we call JMBE for short. Today I'll be speaking with Samantha Elliott of St. Mary's College of Maryland, who is the Editor-in-Chief of JMBE. Samantha, thank you for taking the time to talk with us today.
Thank you for inviting me.
First, can you tell us a little bit about your research and your interest in education?
Well, I'm trained as a classical immunologist, so part of my research is on the immune response of C. elegans. But I started into education research once I got in the classroom and wanted to figure out if what I was doing actually, worked and if students learned something.
Excellent. What brought you to ASM and what led you to JMBE?
I first got involved in ASM when I started attending the ASM Conference for Undergraduate Educators. And through that group, there were lots of opportunities to volunteer and to get involved in the community. So I started reviewing for various things, and that eventually led me to be a reviewer for JMBE. I then was asked to be a curriculum section editor, and now I'm editor-in-chief.
And now that you are editor-in-chief, what's your vision for the journal?
My vision is that JMBE be the premier journal for microbiology and biology education. I want people to be able to go to the journal, whether they're just starting out or whether they're veteran teachers, and find really great, interesting things that they want to try in their classrooms.
Okay. And what are you looking for in a submission? What would make a submission successful?
We're always looking for novel ideas, novel ways of introducing information, different ways in which to think about teaching or issues involved with classroom management and things of that nature.
Okay, and then what would an author, what should they expect from the submission process?
Well, the submission process is actually really supportive. We give a lot of feedback. We have tutorials online that tell you exactly what we're looking for in terms of format. And we often get emails from folks asking, which section should it be in? So we give a lot of feedback in terms of, hey, we think that this really is a curriculum article or a research article or a perspectives article. And we work with the authors at each step to make their submission the best that it can be.
Okay, and why should somebody submit their work to a scholarly journal?
I think a lot of us in teaching, we sometimes feel very insulated. We have our own classrooms. We're in control of those classrooms. And so a lot of times we feel like we have to reinvent the wheel. And people do some really great stuff that others would really like to see. So there's a benefit in putting your work out there and not only helping others, but getting feedback and making it better for your own purposes as well.
Finally, what sets JMBE apart from other journals? Why publish in JMBE?
Well, I think there are multiple things that really set us apart. We really work with our prospective authors during the whole submission process. We have a wide variety of types of articles that can be submitted. And we're also indexed in PubMed, so that means you can really showcase your work to a wide audience.
Thanks again for taking the time to talk with us today.
Oh, you're welcome. I really enjoyed it.
For more information on JMBE, including author guidelines and tutorials, please visit our website at jmbe.asm.org.